So guys, we're here on the boardwalk. We had a 11 o'clock reservation to go on the Atlantic City cruises, but it canceled it because of, yeah, let me show you this. See that? Nothing but clouds. Yeah. So found out that the rain cast for our trip here is 3 days of clouds and rain, thunderstorms. We're going. I'm sorry, I think it's funny because it was perfect on the way here. So we're just gonna walk on the boardwalk, and we're gonna go to three Italian guys pizza, have some pizza and
5 stars
whatnot. Well, let me show you the boardwalk. There's the water over there. Can't see it because of the dunes, but so anywho, guess what? We just ran into the you-know-who-what, the timeshare vacation people. Yeah. So, of course, we're getting accosted again already by timeshare people with the whole 90-minute presentation deal. But you know, you guys know we're already veterans of that, so anyhow, we're gonna just keep on walking until we get to Three Brothers Pizza. Here it is. Coming up.
We done been to so many, man. We done been to so many. I don't even want to do it.
We don't really want to.
I know how it works.
Fine, how are you? And not for New Jersey. We're not interested.
I'll keep that in mind. Next one's 1:30. All right.
Anyhow. Okay, it was really hard for my husband to probably say no. So we might be back there to get money for $100. So
$100.
yeah, exactly. All right. Well, we're gonna stop and check out the pizza and stuff.
I wish these places were.
Oh, birdies. We gotta watch out for bird poo poo too. A Barack Obama hat.
Taking your freezer. Keep your beverage cool.
99 cents. 59 cents. Look at the cookies.
Probably expired.
Yeah, he's probably right. Expired. Here we are, guys. I've always wanted to go to the Atlantic City Boardwalk, but I kind of envisioned that it was going to be a little bit brighter, sunnier and everything, but not the case. Still nice, but I wish it was a little bit better. Hair's all frizzy because of the humidity in the air, but I'm still cute. Yeah. So we're just walking along, trying to figure out what we're going to eat and taking the sights. They got the amusement park. We're about to pass that up in a little bit, but I can't even really show you guys because it's so foggy. You probably won't be able to get to see it. So here's some of the shops.
bucks, $5.
Full body massage, 20 bucks.
Dude, that's good. I'll be getting on that. Free soaking feet with natural herbs. Shucks, I might have to come back here and get me up.
20 bucks, 20 minutes.
20 minutes? I'll just be getting into a sleep by then. Pagoda?
Philadelphia water ice.
Oh, look at my funnel cakes. You know I love funnel cakes, and they got a whole lineup over there. Seagulls are chirping. Okay, we are at the Trump. We're at the Trump Taj Mahal. We've already actually walked the whole thing, but it's really, really big. Goes all the way down. We made it to the showboat, but then we had to turn around because we figured, hey, there's going to be a lot of, we have to walk this all the way back to where we were at. So there's the pier over there, Boardwalk pier with all the amusement rides and everything, but it's closed for right now. So we're just walking back the way we came. And yeah, there's the Trump Taj Mahal Casino and Hotel. Hard Rock Cafe is back there. We got the steel pier, pub deck right across from the Taj Mahal. And this is the entrance to, this is actually the entrance to the pier. However, I think with them doing construction and fixing the pier back up from the storm, they have it closed. So can't get anything done. I mean, can't get anything going anywhere. Oh yeah, there's a flood warning. So yeah, we're just having a great time. No, we really are. I'm just kidding. Alrighty, I'll let you guys go. Okay, we're here at Three Brothers Pizzeria and Restaurant, and we got 2 slices of pizza. They're nice and big. And then we got a falafel sandwich. Never had a falafel sandwich, so I thought I'd try it. And then Fuse iced teas. LJ got strawberry red tea, and I got the lemon. And he's like, you better go ahead and film because I'm ready to bash this. So, how's it taste?
Good.
Good? Great. We'll see how it goes. We'll try the falafel.
I'm gonna try it too. It's really weird. There's vegetables crushed up, fried, and then they put more vegetables on top of those vegetables in a pita pot.
Right. I don't know.
Let me get over there and get in that. Uh-oh. He might want to go inside. Good. good. I like it.
Okay.
I'm gonna stay out here.
Falafel was pretty good. It's starting to rain. And we're getting birds. Shoo, 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 shoo. Literally, there's... Okay. I think we might have to go in because it's starting to rain. So I asked my husband. Well, my husband asked me, well, did I know what a falafel, why they call it a falafel? Because I'm eating a falafel right now.
Tell them what it is.
Falafel sandwich. We asked the cook what the falafel was, and he said it was ground up mixed vegetables, ground up, and we molded into a patty with cornmeal and deep fried. This is what my husband said, the reason why they call it a falafel. Why?
They call it a falafel because the pita pocket is mainly used for the gyro. Some idiot took and ground up some vegetables, put it in a pita pocket, and they tasted it and he said, oh, that's all falafed up. So it was a falafel. It's not as good as a gyro, and never will be.
Really? He probably thinks he's right, but we know that that's totally not even right.
That's the truth.
Not the truth.
Real talk.
So, anyhow, he says real talk. You should hear some of the definitions he comes up with. But anyhow, so he said they flubbed up the gyro, put ground vegetables and meal, and that's how they got this. But it's pretty good. Also got pizza, and those of you who know me know that I like ketchup on my pizza.
It's not ketchup, it's barbecue sauce. It's barbecue sauce.
Yeah, thought it was ketchup, ended up being barbecue sauce, but it's still good. I don't know, call me crazy, but I like red sauce other than pizza sauce on my pizza. So, all right, well, we're still here. We came in because it started raining outside, and we started getting seagulls who were begging for food. So we decided to come on in. All right, talk to you soon. Bye.